What's up, YouTubers? This your boy, Mr. Bates. And I just got a question for anybody that can answer this shit. And if you can, please leave it in the description box. Not the description box, but the comment section. But it's about monetizing. Certain videos, they won't allow me to monetize. And I don't know, it's because I'm talking about celebrities. So are you not allowed to talk about celebrities? Because I noticed when I talk about certain celebrities, they won't let me monetize my videos, and I don't understand that shit. You know, do you have to have a license to talk about a celebrity? I'm not sure about that. So what the hell am I doing wrong, especially if I'm using my original content? Some of my videos, I'm just talking about a celebrity, not using anyone's content. Might have you go to the description box to view the actual video or whatnot, but I'm using my original content talking about it, and they still won't let me monetize my videos. So I'm asking anybody out there, YouTube or anybody that could let me know what the fuck am I doing wrong, because I don't know. They won't let me monetize it. Also, news clips. I know a lot of people post news clips all over YouTube and whatnot, but how are they able to do it and monetize it at the same time? Now, someone told me that you had to have a license to use news footage clips for your videos. And okay, so how do I go about getting a license to get those news, you know, to be able to post news clips, videos, so that YouTube can let me monetize my videos? So if anyone can explain that to me, that would be very much helpful, because I'm still, you know, YouTube, they won't respond to me. It's funny how YouTube, it takes them a split second to watch your video and for them to deny it from being monetized or not, just that quick. But once you put it on a review, let them know, hey, this is my original content, your shit be on a review for like months. Like, what the fuck? Why it take so long for y'all just to review this shit? And if y'all, and obviously when y'all looking at this shit, you could just see it's just my original content. So why would y'all deny it from being monetized? I don't know. So someone please explain to me in detail about this monetized shit when it comes to celebrities, using news clips, how you go about getting your license to use news clips or whatever the fuck. Because I see people post shit from World Star Hip Hop on YouTube. Why that shit don't get blocked or whatever the fuck, and they still able to post it on there and monetize it, and you clearly see World Star Hip Hop on the video, and it's their content, but they still able to post it on their YouTube channel and get views off of it. I don't know. Somebody explain to me this shit. This shit's so confusing. So if anyone can help me, let your boy know. This your boy, Mr. Bates. Get at me.